If you want to delete your captions from your YouTube video, here's a little trick that I learned. So again, this is if you want to delete the captions from your YouTube video, so the user or the viewer does not have the option of turning them back on. The key that some of the other videos doesn't talk about is that you have to have a language assigned to it. So you can see that this one shows 2 languages, which really means it's just in English, and there's one that if we click on subtitles here, and we're to click in, you can see that you can see English auto captions as one language, and then just English video language. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of the automatic captions. So delete that, delete the subtitles, and that should eliminate the option. So the reason I did this is I already had captions embedded in the short, so there's really no reason for the captions to appear on top of that. It just looks kind of annoying. So let's go look at another one where I don't have any languages assigned. So let's come down to another short. This one here where I don't have any languages assigned. And you can see that there is no option to delete the caption because there's no language. So if I were to set a language, which I'll go ahead and do, and just set this to English. Confirm it. Now you can see you have the option, so it has English video language, and then this automatic captions, and I'm going to go ahead and delete that because that one also, the native video was captioned. So I kind of found this out the hard way, but hopefully this is helpful to you if you're trying to remove the option from anybody to see the subtitles in your videos. And let's go back and look at one more. So let's see here. We've got this one additional item here where I have 2 languages, but again, as we've found before, shows this published as English. And it doesn't say auto captions there. Actually, let's go take a look and watch it and see what happens here.
Last words. Well, I would start by.
Yep, so the captions do not show up.
My grandmother always
as you see
says
here,
to
this
your own
were
book.
native to the video that I put in there.
There are so many
not a great job because I'm covering up
methodologies
the person's face.
out there about change management, and so many.
And obviously, a user
ways to
on their own or a viewer can eliminate the captions if they want to. But I just didn't want to show up in the first place because I thought it could be annoying when the captions are already there.
Do your own research.
Hopefully,
see what
this
types
will
of
be helpful to you.
methodologies
Thanks.
speak to you and how you